In this video, we're going to basically create a cute animation for my application. This is basically inspired by my sister, who told me my current application's animation sucks, and I couldn't agree more with her. And we're going to basically be trying to use cutting edge AI tools to build this. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'm going to show you how our current application looks like. First, we have to turn on our dev server, of course. So hold up, actually, I think it's always important to provide value and tell you the value I'm going to provide. So in this video, we're going to be using the cutting edge AI tools. We're going to investigate together how to build animations. And third, we're going to be going into other tools such as Codex and Perplexity to see what the current cutting edge is for building with AI. So without further ado, let's get started with that. We should be building Crush APV2. So this is our application. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to open up the terminal, and I'm going to start the terminal. I'm going to make sure I'm on my local branch as well. So I'm going to go to Git Status, and we are on our local branch. Perfect. So I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to basically want to show you guys how our animation looks like right now. So I'm going to create like a random account. All right. Got iced coffee in hand. Iced coffees are clutch. It's been one of those days, man. I have a bit of brain fog. So let's fucking crank here. Let's just get this through. The animation shows when you complete a lesson. So I'm gonna just complete one of our first lessons. So let's go to -1M. And then let's go to -3M right here. Beautiful. So let's do -4M. Let's go to 7M right here. 4M. Let's go to 6M, 8M. Right there. All right, cool. That's the animation. Yeah, it is a bit crude. It's a bit ugly. If you have to see that after every lesson, yeah, you probably want to off yourself. So let's actually fix that. 100% agreed with that. Oh, first and foremost, let's also turn on Work Smart. This is how my work tracks my hours for the week. So let's go get that done. And let's actually, all right. So one, Higgsfield. So sorry. One thing my coworkers suggested to me the other day was using this thing called Higgsfield AI for video generation. So this is something we could potentially use right here. So maybe we could do that. Let's see that. So what I'm going to start out with is I'm going to talk to Codex, and I'm going to tell him kind of like what the strategy is for the day. So, and it'll be basically what I just told you right now, and this will help set a good framework and a good base for this work we want to do. So let's do that. Hey, Codex, I'm trying to improve my physics learning application, and you will realize in a recent commit, I worked on an animation that happens after every lesson completion. And after testing it with users, we realized it's a bit crude, it's a bit ugly, and it's a bit AI generated looking like, and it's not cute. So a second theory we came up with was using a cute gorilla character. So maybe like some kind of I don't know, maybe you can point me to some Japanese or some kind of cute, I don't know what the word I want to use is, but there definitely is a word out there for this kind of cute cartoon gorilla type of thing that will be much smaller than it currently is, and it will basically be prancing around until it sees a Crush AP logo. It'll jump on top of it, and it will smash it. And that's what I want to build. And I want to use the cutting edge AI tools to get us there. And one tool I have in particular is this Higgsfield.ai. I just created an account, and perhaps you could also do a web search and understand more about it and see if this is the right tool for that job that can get it done. Furthermore, I don't want the user to have to watch this animation before pressing continue. So this animation could go above the good job continue button. So a user can just press good job continue right away. So that's the vision. That's what success means by the end of the day. And just to summarize, that means replacing our current animation with a cuter animation. And second of all, having it on top of the continue good job, continue button. So user just can just skip straight to the continue button. So let me know if that makes sense. And what I want you to do is take a look at Higgsfield AI, and let's see if we can get this done together. So yeah, it's basically vibe coding, man. It's literally just like talking. You know, there's like coding is basically solved. Building is solved. And Naval Ravikant said tweeted recently that it's the age of the builders. Sorry, financiers. Sorry, talkers. So couldn't agree more. So I'm using Codex right now. I was using I was like a heavy Claude Code user this year. Like 99% was Claude Code, but recently I've switched to Codex because I just realized it's like a cleaner interface, and I seem to trust it more implicitly. It just yeah, a few other developers have echoed the same sentiment. I don't really know if I could go into deeper detail than other than just a gut feeling, but right now I like Codex. When Fable came out briefly the other week, I was on Fable, but unfortunately, yeah. Yeah, what's going on here? Okay, it's just showing how the current gorilla looks like. This is our current gorilla looks like. It's really bad. But yeah, I think Codex is the meta right now. Fable was the meta until like the U.S. government banned it. So, oh man, this iced coffee's good, bro. I'm not sleeping tonight. It's 4:13 p.m., but it is what it is, bro. The brain fog was hitting too much. All right. If anybody has any sleep tips, that would be great. I think I need to start taking magnesium again or something. All right. All right, bro. What is he doing, bro? I mean, it's kind of sus that it's already making some app changes, but I think it's just it's doing. It looks like it's being watchable, so I'm chilling. Come on, bro. Bro, I just set it to extra high thinking because, like, why should you compromise on intelligence, man? You just want the AI to make the best decisions it can. Yeah, my sister also texted me about this animation. I'm gonna just make sure. All right, bro. I'm gonna put some music on the background because, like, I'm a Gen Z, bro. Like, I need constant dopamine flowing, bro. You know what I mean? All right. Let's play some bullet. I know there is such a Dude, I swear, like after using Fable, bro, I feel like GPT's nerfed. Probably Opus is nerfed too, bro. Like, damn, just like feels nerfed. Just like how goated Fable was, bro. All right, all right. I know that the UX changes can be easy fix, so let's focus more on the art replacement. So what should I do on Higgsfield AI? Do you have the ability to just like do this for me via an NMCP server? Yeah. I'm willing to pay, bro, but I just don't. It's just such a pain to look at. My God, I thought this was a good idea. I'm still sharing my screen, by the way. Take a look at this, bro. This needs to get. They need to like clean this up, bro. Yeah, bro. Bro. All right, bro. It should be installed. Let me look at the credits. Oh yeah, all right, bro. All right. Yeah, don't be stingy. I have the means to pay this, so like, let's go. Yeah, don't feel like you're like don't let the constraint like deter you. Just like rip, and if it turns out we run out of credits, I'll go ahead and pay for more. Go ahead and try this. And remember, quality over quantity. I just want something really good. This is like supposed to be a multi-million dollar project I'm working on, right? So let's make it look like one. I don't know how I feel about this song. It's kind of annoying. Whatever. Whatever. It's a little too modern for me, but let's dun, 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 dun. And we tap. You guys don't. Like, what is this? Like to top sharing stack. I think it could be better, but let's just do what it cooks up. It's pretty cute. So if we're getting some, just looking at some customer comms. All right, this one goes hard, bro. There we are. There you are. Yeah, a lot of vibe coding is just thinking, or just like waiting. Now, one thing I've been grappling with is like, do you just sit and like watch and make sure your AI is doing anything stupid, or do you like multitask? And I think it depends on the task. Like right now, and it depends on the mood as well. Right now, I feel like I just like watching and seeing how things go. So it's pretty cool. It's making us write shit for our animation. Sorry, bro. Some of these girls on TikTok, some of these Indian girls on TikTok are so cute, bro. Holy fuck. Yeah, bro, I gotta like keep my fucking up. Anyways, let's go. All right, bro. It's finishing up. This is exciting. Hot. My laptop's hot as hell, and I have it on my lap. Cannot be good for my fertility, bro. Not that I'm like trying to conceive right now, but still, I don't know. That affect your testosterone levels. All right, bro. All right, this song is getting kind of old, bro. 5 minute song, bro. It's crazy. What is Soldier? Soldier, dude. I don't like any of this, but whatever. Okay, it looks like it's already in the app. What? Oh, time. I'm retarded. All right, this song's actually pretty lit. Okay, it's better. Like the animation is definitely cuter, but this is not what I envisioned because I think all you did was you swapped the old gorilla with this new one, and like you kept like the same like philosophy with like this. I don't know. It's a bit weird. Like what I imagined was like a cool animation where the gorilla was like running through perhaps. Okay, we don't have to worry about a background like a jungle, but if we could, that would be great via Higgsfield. And like the Crush AP logo is like in there, embedded in the scene, and like the a gorilla like comes up to it, pauses for a minute, like jumps on top of it, like slightly cracks it, and then like moves on. But like, and perhaps like it's in a cute way. Maybe it jumps on it twice or something. Like it's right now it's a bit like crude. Still, it's not like production grade. Like go until glory, go until what you can do, like push to the edge of your craft, and let's let's try to build something great. I'm gonna do slash goal here. What slash goal does is it just like has a higher quality bar. It just keeps going until the goal's met. So let's see what it cooks up. My guess is it's probably gonna look into Higgsfield and like put push on something harder here. But yeah, that was better. Like the animation was cuter. The gorilla was cuter. It just wasn't there for me. All right, even this song is fucking retarded. All right, dude, finally, dude, you can't beat these old songs. I'm telling you, bro. You can't beat them. Can we finish before my computer runs out of battery? Let's see, bro. All right. Are you sure you don't want to like look into Higgsfield features? Okay, I just tested it out myself, and it's actually not that bad. It's actually pretty solid. The only issue is like the animation and the crush AP background disappear like after it. Can we just keep them on even after the monkey disappears? Bad way. Bad way. I think I have it. All right, great. It was decent. I'm sure we're going to refine it as we go, but yeah, I guess we used like cutting edge AI tools there. We used Higgsfield AI. We used, I'm going to turn this off. So go over here. So yeah, we use Higgsfield AI, we use Codex, we injected a little bit of cache, and we were able to get a pretty solid animation in. Obviously, it's not like like the best design in the world, but like we're one step closer there, and good design takes a lot of like obsession. So I think over time we will improve it and make Crush AP design a lot better. So yeah, that was a insight into designing an animation with me for my app. Peace out.